Hello everyone and welcome back to Clover Knows Pets. I'm Clover and today I'm going to be giving you another update on the rescued lab mice. If you haven't already seen, please go check out the original video, which is on my channel in the shorts section, and check out the first update video, which you can find just in the video section of my channel. But yeah, let's get started. Now, while I'm cleaning up their cage and redoing it, I just set them in my bathtub with a ton of foraging items, which I now do on a fairly regular basis. I just use it sort of as a playpen. Yeah, they're doing a lot better now and have regained a lot of their balance, and are now very active in climbing around. Also, they've become very, very interested in me and quite social. Where are you? There you are. Hi. Yeah. But yeah, anyways, from what the lab tech had told me, they are about a year old now, in comparison to when I got them, so yeah. Now, that is sort of sad in a way because they are BLBC3 mice, or bulb C3 mice, which means that they have very, very short lifespans. Being lab mice, like actual lab mice, they were bred to be highly susceptible to a bunch of different problems in general, tons of tumors, things like that. And also they are very, very inbred and therefore have very short lifespans, spanning anywhere from 1 year to 2 years on average. So that means that I could have them for another year, or they could die any day now. And as sad as it is, I am happy that I've been able to have them for so long and give them a happy end to their life. And I will say that recently I have seen less grooming behaviors or more frayed fur, which is not a very good sign. And honestly, there's not really much I can do about it, except for give them the best life I can before they do end up dying. But yeah. So I've just got them in here. I do this regularly with all of my rodents, just to give them some extra space to run around and climb and stuff. Yeah. Basically, I just plug the drain, put in a towel, and then put in a ton of different hides and things to climb on. I put in a little water bowl, and then I bring them in their carrier. I just open the carrier up, and then they can come out on their own time. And clearly, they feel safe because they are running all around. You come here? Good girl. But yeah, so they'll stay in here for a couple hours. I also scatter a bunch of their food around here, and yeah, it gives them a ton of stuff to do. So yeah, thanks for watching.